What's up everyone, what's up folks, Michael here. So today I'm going to be doing a DIY project for the MSP Pro. I think you can use the same concept for MSX. So the idea is to increase the thickness of the pad that comes with it. I measured the pad, it's like 5 millimeters, and I'm a little bit bow-legged, so my feet basically just go around the wheel. So for that we're going to need a painter's tape to get the template of the pad, and then the double-sided tape we're going to use to attach the new pad on top of the existing pad, because it comes pretty much attached to it. A felt pen to pre-market and a pair of scissors, and we're going to make it out of this stuff. This is I went with a 1/2 inch neoprene foam so that it can give me flexibility. You know, I can make 2 of them to make it 1 inch thick. I got another one that's 1/4 inch, so if I need it to be like 3/4 inch thick, I'm just gonna make the same template, copy the template to that one and cut it. So without further ado folks, let's get to it. If you get to this point where you already have the pad, you just take more painter's tape and cover the painter's tape, cover the pad with the painter's tape before using the double-sided tape, so that, you know, a few weeks, days, maybe months down the line when you want to remove it, the painter's tape doesn't leave that sticky gooey stuff. Okay guys, that's how I did it, and so that's the extra padding, and that's how it looks like when I have it attached to the original padding. So I took my MSP today for a test ride for the first time to test out the pads basically, and I crashed. Basically what happened was the control board basically got fried. I don't know, I was just riding and then the wheel just cut out, but I'm gonna make another video about that. So I'm gonna put an Amazon link to all the items that I've used today, the tape and the foam. So if you like this kind of content guys, and the more content I'm gonna be putting up, think about subscribing. Till then, as the Russians say, до свидания.